If you're interested in upgrading to a paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code PARTNER25 Pro yearly to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. To add a custom domain to Framer, click the Publish button and then click the Add Domain above the Update button. Once you click it, you'll be redirected to Domains and then scroll down. You'll see there a custom domain. Under that, you'll see a input box. In there, you will input your domain name. Once you're done, click check and that's it. You've successfully added a custom domain to Framer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.